Hi, this is Thomas at ISE 2020. So what you're looking at here, it's a product we call Di-16-UHD. So what this product does, it takes 1080p signals, input, but it outputs on a 4K surface. So all these inputs are HDMI, so it's ideal for things like set-top box monitoring or computer classroom monitoring. So on this particular layout, here it actually describes what we do. You have advanced OSDs, you have alarms, you could do up and down conversion, really clocks, all this fancy OSD stuff that you see here. But in a switch of a preset, we could easily go to a different look. So by switching this, now we're monitoring all the input sources. Okay, all 16 inputs are being monitored right here, and different type of resolution are showing here. And we could switch again to a different preset. This preset is more of a kind of a production or main monitoring, something big, important, and different sizes of video monitors, and also audio meters as well. And of course, we can also mark all the windows with different texts. Again, this is ideal for classroom monitoring, for set-top box monitoring. The product is Di-16-UHD, and you can find out more about it at www.apantac.com. Thank you.